Maps have guided explorers for centuries, yet many ancient maps contain secrets hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered by those who know where to look. Cartographers went beyond drawings, encoding information with symbols, faded lines, annotations. Dots by an island hint at a safe anchorage. A serpent drawing could signal dangerous waters. Some maps, like Piri Reis from the 1500s, show mysterious coastlines that spark historian debate. Hand-drawn compass roses, each petal decorated with initials or coded images, fill ancient maps. Magnifying glasses reveal fine lines, hidden trails, marking secret routes or passages traveled by few. A different ink shade may mark a boundary, visible only with careful inspection or special light. Animated hands trace winding paths. Markings glow and reveal hidden annotation as fingers move. Elaborate map legends provided clues. Concealment was craft and necessity in turbulent times. Knowledge brought power. Deciphering secrets took patience, sharp eyes, and understanding of cultures and conflicts of the era. Maps became more than guides through hidden signs. They preserved and guarded history for generations. Among tiny details, a single glowing symbol appears on ancient maps. Marks like these led explorers to discoveries: lost harbors, buried caches, unknown lands. Small details could shape expeditions, changing history and fueling curiosity to this day. Tiny Facts Studio,